Okay, this is the convert and compare decimals homework. The directions at the top say to write each of the following decimals as a fraction or a mixed number. So if you take a look at number 1, there's no number in front of the decimal, so we would say this as 4, and we would look at it and it's in the tenths place. So this would be 4 tenths. We could reduce that on the top and the bottom by 2, so it would reduce to 2 fifths. Let's take a look at this one. This one's going to become a mixed number because we would say 3 and 13 tenths hundredths. And that one can't be reduced. All right, so I'm going to leave 3 and 4 for you to do just like those. So you can pause this if you want to do those. Otherwise, the directions below say, write each of the following decimals in written words. So you can refer back to your yellow notes packet if you forget what the place values are. But for the first one, we would say that's 27, and that's tenths hundredths place. And when the numbers are after the decimal, you need to make sure that your place values end with THS. All right, and if you look at the next one, there's a number in front of the decimal, so that one we would say 4. For the decimal, we would say and then this would be 94, and it's in the tenths hundredths spot again. Okay, all right, so that's what you're going to do for the rest of those. You're going to write it out in words. Down at the bottom of the paper, it says, compare the following decimals using those inequality or equal sign. So if I look at this, this is 147. There's no decimal, so if I wanted to put one, it would be after the number. And this is like 1 and 47 hundredths. So if I think of this as money, this is $147 and then $1.47. Well, I know 147 is much bigger than $1.47. Okay, if we take a look at the next one, if you want to, Miss Flood said you can always stack the numbers. So if I stack them and I go from left to right, if I'm just looking at those first numbers, this one's got a 3, this one's got a 4. That tells me that the one with the 4 is bigger, so I'm going to draw my inequality sign like that. Okay, let's do one more together. Let's jump down here. If I wanted to talk about this as money again, I could say $5.30, $5.10. Well, I know 30 cents is greater than 10 cents. All right, so that's what we need to do in that section. And there's nothing on the back, so this should be a quick homework for you.